Assalomu alaykum aziz do'stlar. Navbatdagi 68-darsimizga xush kelibsiz. Tayyor bo'lsangiz, darsimizni boshladik. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Savol: siz hozir birgamisiz? Siz are you birgamisiz? Together hozir now. Siz hozir birgamisiz? Are you together now? Savol: siz rusmisiz? Siz are you rusmisiz? Russian. Siz rusmisiz? Are you Russian? Qiz bolaga nisbatan u shunday, ya'ni shu qadar chiroyli. U she's shunday chiroyli. So beautiful. U shunday chiroyli. She's so beautiful. O'g'il bolaga nisbatan u ham shu yerda. U ham he's also shu yerda here. U ham shu yerda. He's also here. Men rusman. Men I'm rusman. Russian. Men rusman. I'm Russian. Savol: bu qancha masofa? Ya'ni so'zma-so'z tarjima qilsak, bu qanchalik uzoq? Qanchalik uzoq? How far? Bu is it? Bu qancha masofa? Ya'ni bu qanchalik uzoq? How far is it? Bu shunday zerikarli. Bu it's shunday zerikarli. So boring. Bu shunday zerikarli. It's so boring. Savol: siz haqiqatdan ham birga baxtlimisiz? Siz are you haqiqatdan ham really baxtlimisiz? Happy birga together. Siz haqiqatdan ham birga baxtlimisiz? Are you really happy together? Savol: sen qachon u yerdasan? Qachon? When. Sen when are you u yerda? There. Sen qachon u yerdasan? When are you there? Savol: bu yomonmi yoki yo'qmi? Bu is it yomonmi? Bad yoki yo'qmi? Or not. Bu yomonmi yoki yo'qmi? Is it bad or not? So'zlarni qaytaramiz. Are you together now? Are you Russian? She's so beautiful. He's also here. I'm Russian. How far is it? It's so boring. Are you really happy together? When are you there? Is it bad or not? Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Savol: sizning haqiqatdan ham ishonchingiz komilmi? Sizning are you haqiqatdan ham ishonchingiz komilmi? Really sure. Sizning haqiqatdan ham ishonchingiz komilmi? Are you really sure? Savol: bu ayol kim? Kim? Who? Bu ayol. Who is this woman? Bu ayol kim? who is this woman? Savol: bu qanchalik samarali? Qanchalik samarali? How effective bu is it? Bu qanchalik samarali? How effective is it? O'g'il bolaga nisbatan u juda yosh. U his juda yosh. Very young. U juda yosh. He's very young. Savol: o'g'il bolaga nisbatan u nima ish bilan shug'ullanadi? Ya'ni so'zma-so'z tarjima qiladigan bo'lsak, uning ishi nima? Nima? What's uning ishi? His job. U nima ish bilan shug'ullanadi? What's his job? Men ko'ryapmanki, o'g'il bolaga nisbatan u haq. Men ko'ryapmanki, I see that u haq. U his haq. Right. Men ko'ryapmanki, u haq. I see that he's right. Bu haqiqatdan ham qiziq. Bu it's haqiqatdan ham qiziq. Really interesting. Bu haqiqatdan ham qiziq. It's really interesting. Bu men uchun shunday qiyin. Bu it's shunday qiyin. So difficult men uchun for me. Bu men uchun shunday qiyin. It's so difficult for me. Savol: qiz bolaga nisbatan u dizaynermi? U is she dizaynermi? A designer. U dizaynermi? Is she a designer? Bu dars juda foydali. Bu dars this lesson juda foydali is very useful. Bu dars juda foydali. This lesson is very useful. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. Are you really sure? Who is this woman? How effective is it? He's very young. What's his job? I see that he's right. It's really interesting. It's so difficult for me. Is she a designer? This lesson is very useful. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. O'g'il bolaga nisbatan u bechora emas. U emas. He isn't bechora poor. U bechora emas. He isn't poor. O'g'il bolaga nisbatan u bizning o'qituvchimiz emas. U emas. He isn't bizning o'qituvchimiz. Our teacher. U bizning o'qituvchimiz emas. He isn't our teacher. Savol: bu yaxshimi yoki yo'qmi? Bu is it yaxshimi? Good yoki yo'qmi? Or not? Bu yaxshimi yoki yo'qmi? Is it good or not? Men o'ylayman, bu juda oson. Men o'ylayman. I think. Bu juda oson. Bu it's juda oson. Very easy. Men o'ylayman bu juda oson. I think it's very easy. Savol: ular sening hamkasblaringmi? Ular are they sening your hamkasblaringmi? Colleagues. Ular sening hamkasblaringmi? Are they your colleagues? Savol: bu yomonmi yoki yaxshimi? Bu is it yomonmi, bad yoki yaxshimi? Or good. Bu yomonmi yoki yaxshimi? Is it bad or good? Bu qiziq. Bu it's qiziq. Interesting. Bu qiziq. It's interesting. Savol: bu qanchalik muhim? Qanchalik muhim? How important? Bu is it? Bu qanchalik muhim? How important is it? Savol: siz nima ish bilan shug'ullanasiz? Ya'ni so'zma-so'z tarjima qiladigan bo'lsak, sizning ishingiz nima? Nima? What's sizning ishingiz? Your job. Siz nima ish bilan shug'ullanasiz? What's your job? Savol: sizning sevimli aktrisangiz kim? Kim? Who? Sizning who is your sevimli favorite aktrisangiz? Actress. Sizning sevimli aktrisangiz kim? Who is your favorite actress? So'zlarni qaytaramiz. He isn't poor. He isn't our teacher. Is it good or not? I think it's very easy. Are they your colleagues? Is it bad or good? It's interesting. How important is it? What's your job? Who is your favorite actress? Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Bu juda zerikarli. Bu it's juda zerikarli. Very boring. Bu juda zerikarli. It's very boring. Savol: bu joy qayerda? Qayerda? Where? Bu joy. There is this place. Bu joy qayerda? There is this place. Men o'zimni yaxshi his qilaman. Men his qilaman o'zimni. I feel yaxshi, good. Men o'zimni yaxshi his qilaman. I feel good. Savol: sen charchadingmi? Sen are you charchadingmi? Tired. Sen charchadingmi? Are you tired? Savol: bu qanchalik qiziq? Qanchalik qiziq? How interesting? Bu is it? Bu qanchalik qiziq? How interesting is it? Bu arzon. Bu it's arzon. Cheap. Bu arzon. It's cheap. Men bilamanki, bu juda muhim. Men bilamanki, I know that. Bu juda muhim. Bu it's juda muhim. Very important. Men bilamanki, bu juda muhim. I know that it's very important. Savol: baxt siz uchun nima? Baxt nima? What is happiness siz uchun? For you. Baxt siz uchun nima? What is happiness for you? Bu chipta qimmat emas. Bu chipta this ticket qimmat emas. Isn't expensive. Bu juda arzon. Bu it's juda arzon. Very cheap. Bu chipta qimmat emas. Bu juda arzon. This ticket isn't expensive. It's very cheap. Bu yaqin emas. Bu emas. It isn't yaqin. Near. Bu juda uzoq. Bu it's juda uzoq. Very far. Bu yaqin emas. Bu juda uzoq. It isn't near. It's very far. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. It's very boring. There is this place. I feel good. Are you tired? How interesting is it? It's cheap. I know that it's very important. What is happiness for you? This ticket isn't expensive. It's very cheap. It isn't near. It's very far. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Savol: bu sen uchun haqiqatdan ham qiziqmi? Bu is it haqiqatdan ham qiziqmi? Really interesting sen uchun. For you bu sen uchun haqiqatdan ham qiziqmi? Is it really interesting for you? Qiz bolaga nisbatan u maktabda. U she's maktabda. At school. U maktabda. She's at school. Savol: o'g'il bolaga nisbatan uning ismi nima? Nima? What's uning ismi? His name. Uning ismi nima? What's his name? Savol: bu dars foydalimi? Bu dars is this lesson foydalimi? Useful. Bu dars foydalimi? Is this lesson useful? Men aytishni xohlaymanki, ingliz tili oson. Men aytishni xohlaymanki, I want to say that ingliz tili oson. Ingliz tili English oson is easy. Men aytishni xohlaymanki, ingliz tili oson. I want to say that English is easy. Ishonchim komilki, bu shunday yaxshi. Ishonchim komilki, I'm sure that bu shunday yaxshi. Bu it's shunday yaxshi. So good. Ishonchim komilki, bu shunday yaxshi. I'm sure that it's so good. Savol: men mehnat sevarmanmi? Men am I mehnat sevarmanmi? Hard working. Men mehnat sevarmanmi? Am I hard working? Savol: sevgi bu nima? Ya'ni sevgi nima? Nima? What? Sevgi. What is love? Sevgi nima? What is love? Ishonchim komilki, bu juda samarali. Ishonchim komilki, I'm sure that bu juda samarali. Bu it's juda samarali. Very effective. Ishonchim komilki, bu juda samarali. I'm sure that it's very effective. Savol: sizning sevimli qo'shiqchingiz kim? Kim? Who? Sizning. Who is your sevimli favorite qo'shiqchingiz? Singer. Sizning sevimli qo'shiqchingiz kim? Who is your favorite singer? Juda yaxshi so'zlarni qaytaramiz. Is it really interesting for you? She's at school. What's his name? Is this lesson useful? I want to say that English is easy. I'm sure that it's so good. Am I hardworking? What is love? I'm sure that it's very effective. Who is your favorite singer? Aziz do'stlar, navbatdagi 68-darsimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Barchangizga rahmat. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha, xayr.